letter finds you both well and filled with joy. As I stand here to express my gratitude, words seems adequate to convey my depth of appreciation for everything you've done for me. First and foremost, thank you so much for your unwavering care and support. From the moment I came into this world, you enveloped me in the warmth and affection, nurturing me with your boundless love. Your love has been a constant source of strength and comfort guiding me through my life, no matter what, with your grace and resilience. No matter what challenges I've faced, I've found solace in the knowledge that I am cherished unconditionally by both of you. Next, I want to express my deepest appreciation for your steadfast support. You've been my biggest cheerleader, standing by my side through every triumph and setback. Your belief in me has been unwavering. Imo mga suporta. I'm so grateful sa imong mga guidance na imong provide. Your patience and understanding have taught me important lessons. Salamat sa imong mga sakripisyo sa inyong pagtitiwala at sa inyong walang hanggang pag-aaruga. Hanggang sa huli, ako'y magiging laging nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Kian.